Well, good morning from the Ridge. So I know y'all have been waiting for some keto meals. So this morning I decided to go ahead and record this. And I've got my amazing cameraman back there. Say hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Okay. Anyways.
I was waving.
Yeah,
over the wrong
that's
hand.
what it was. So, and then I got started on breakfast and totally forgot I wanted to record. So now we're recording. But I haven't gone too far. Y'all should be able to pull up from this. So I'm making my keto quiche, right, for breakfast. And I've just browned some sausage, right? And it's so good. It's so good. And of course, this is a meal best prepared in a cast iron skillet. It doesn't need to be though. If you don't have cast iron, that's fine. Just transfer it over into a baking dish that's oven capable, right? So I've got some bacon. And if you guys missed one of the conversations, I can't really remember. We buy our bacon by the case because it's cheaper. And then it allows me to vacuum seal in individual packages, right? Maybe. All right, so for this one, I go ahead and I cut the bacon. And yes, I use scissors. It doesn't like to cut. And what's really nice about this meal is I make quite a bit of it, but then I'll continue to eat it with no carbs added to it. But like tomorrow, I can take this exact same breakfast quiche and put it in a burrito for Jason. Or he can eat it plain, one way or the other. How do you like it best, babe?
On the second day, typically in the burrito.
Mm-hmm. All right. So I'm going to get that cooked and get that prepared. So when the bacon is about this much done, I take the green peppers, which clearly are from our garden. I go ahead and I put those in there. And then also quite a bit of onion, because I love onion. And I just want to cook these just so that they're not frozen and hard. I don't want to completely get them. I like the crunch of the green pepper and the onions. If you don't, then just cook them just a little bit longer. And being that they were frozen, they're gonna take the core temperature of the bacon down just a little bit. So it'll take a hot minute to get back up, but oh, can you smell that, babe?
Oh, I smell it.
Yeah. So we're gonna let that go ahead and cook a little bit. And then I've got my shredded cheese here. So if you do you, boo. If you want to buy shredded cheese, go for it. I don't like to, but also if you're doing keto, the cellulose that they use to add to the shredded cheese, yeah, you really don't want that, okay? And then I have what is equivalent to about 6 eggs. These were freeze-dried eggs of ours, and so I reconstituted them and added a little bit of half and half so that it'll make it kind of creamy. So those are prepped, those are ready. I'm gonna wait for this to go ahead and get where it needs to go, and then we're gonna start putting it all together. Oh, about this time, preheat your oven, 385. Okay, so I've got my peppers and my onions about where I want them. There is still quite a bit of bacon grease in there. I'm just gonna add that directly to the quiche. You can strain it, you can pull it off. It depends on what your diet is, right? It depends on how you're working your version of keto, whether you're keto, ketovore, carnivore, well, clearly not carnivore because you're eating peppers, but, you know, however you choose to do this, this is just what I'm doing. Just gonna stir that in. Pour in my egg mixture. Just give it a little mixy mix. And I'm going to take about half of the cheese I have shredded and mix that in. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover the top. And then it goes in the oven. I will wait and let this rest for just a little bit, and it will let those oils kind of like soak in. And like I said, I left the bacon grease in. If that's not what you want, then drain it out, but love it.
The coffee's ready if you'll have some. Breakfast should be finished soon. The paper called for sun tomorrow. It looks like rain the whole day through.
Oh, hot. Come on, baby.
Oh, hot, but it's really good. It's one of those that my mouth doesn't want to wait for it to cool off, so just burn it and then shove her down.
And that is our breakfast keto quiche. Try it. It's so good. And there's a lot of ways you can dress it up too. So add mushrooms if you want. I do if I had them. Any little things. Sometimes if we have tomatoes in season, we'll dice those up and put those on. But, oh guys, it's so good.
What's that dance we used to do? Is this house quiet or